Today, I'm gonna be getting to tier 20. If I don't make it, then I'm just straight trash. Oh, crap. Please, just give me a chance out here. Another one. Oh my god. No way. Legendary? You ain't with me at all. You're literally a 5-year-old. Okay, yeah, nobody will find me. Oh, there's a team. No way. There's 3? What the heck was this? This game hates me. There's no way. There's like 4 eggs in my game. Jake in the roof. Never mind, you're dead. Oh, no, okay. I'm just glad I kept one. That's all I care about. Plus, I got looking for cubes. 5. Probably not I got on freaking Rico resides with my. Come here. I'm gonna count my mess as well. Oh yeah, come here. Jump on me, I dare you. Too good. Shoot, never mind. I'm too bad. Get off me, bro! What is this game? More Edgar? Like, you gotta be messing with me at this point. Oh crap, I don't have my gadget. Damn, I need one. Why am I getting so lucky? Okay. Okay. If I got a Frank, then this game hates me. Or 2. Of course. Oh, I forgot, there's like... What? This thing not that much? Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna ignore it. What's Brock? I'm literally got be tapped by a Brock. I'm doing one. Come on. Get damage. Sorry, I need the ultimate, bro. It's just business. So I can actually live these kind of people. Oh, damn it. Come here. Oh, yeah, then I'm actually. I'm one middle. I have the cans, but I'm like, I can't do anything. It's too weak. Oh, wait, never mind. Maybe I will have a chance. If I kill this Frank and this Brock, I will have a chance. Where'd he go? Don't tell me he's in there. Yeah. Wait, yeah, I would have a chance to kill this Frank. Hopefully. But if it's kind of like a run, then I would maybe win. Come on, come here. Come here, come here. Why are you faster than me? Oh, thank you. And then my no Dinah. Oh, yeah, I'm still dead. Dinah. Oh. Doesn't matter. Okay. I got this. Oh, nice. No, damn it. Yeah. Why did I even go for that? Okay, I took 2. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Let me drop it. Oh, I'm good. I swear so bad. Yeah, get him, Frank. Kill him. No. Please, please. No, please. I don't want to. Please. Please, brother. Please. Please, I need this. I'm running. There's no way. I'm running into you. Come here. Okay. That guy will. That guy. Oh, well, crap. I'm running away from you. Got you, too. Yeah. Fear me if you dare. Come here. Oh, damn. Fear me if you dare. I'm dead. Sorry. Yeah, take him down. No way. Moving pin attention here. It's all like a bot. Jeez. I don't got this. I said so bad. I'm not going to play with freaking Rico. I'm grinding Rico until I actually get good with him.
So shiny.
Why am I I'm freaking spending money on this game. Like, no way. Like, I'm spending money just to get Rico to hypercharge, maybe. Maybe even more. That's bots, there's no way. There's 100% odds of that.
Victory is my birthright.
Yeah, I don't care. If I get hit on this, I don't care.
Just another regular day at the top of the world.
Please.
Just another regular day at the top of the world.
Please. Please, Shelly, don't even shoot in the middle. Don't even bother shooting in the middle. Just go for that Brock. Just go for that Brock and just ignore me. Oh my gosh, I got insane lucky. And the Brock least expected it. I freaking use my freaking thing anymore. Okay, of course it's sending it. I'm gonna be something that freaking can't shoot through like wall or something. I thought it was gonna be like a freaking cold Frank. Yeah, I'm not Frank because he did it at that time. Like Doug or maybe Jackie. Yeah, I'm bush camping. I don't care. Like this game hates me. Of course, this kid has a freaking gadget that gives him freaking like his ultimate. Whoa! You F tier, bro. You dumbass. Sorry. Yeah. Thank you, Frank. Love you. Yeah, I'll hate you as a brawler. It's fun killing you, but yeah, like I hate to go against you as a different brawler. You hate your primo, because I'm not so good. You know what? Screw it. Why am I so stupid? Damn, I just had almost all my bullets. Except one. But please!
I'm so shiny.
Please, how much I need? Let me see. Okay. I need 20, at least. That's what this says.
I'm so shiny.
Oh crap. Oh crap, please. Oh, okay. That didn't go as bad as I thought about it. You freaking 5-year-old gay ass monkey. Okay. Now make that 23. I ain't locked in, bro. Yeah, forget about it. Thank you. Now I'm dead. I freaking hate you, Max, bro. You suck. All you do got speed. Oh my god, I'm gonna go back to square one. I just have to bush camp. I'm gonna maybe get some boxes to at least compare with the freaking Leaf players. It's another one! Yay! We're on the same power level. Okay, never mind. I actually just boosted my confidence so much. By like 1 second. My confidence was boosted. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm camping. I don't care. I'm just gonna stay somewhere. Oh yes, right here. Never mind. Oh yeah, I'll go with that Rosa. Yeah, Rosa, come here. Wait, why did I do this? Never mind. I'm so happy I did this. Don't you jump on me, my gadget can kill you. Gadget. Oh crap. Okay. This is good, but yeah, I know I'm just not gonna win. I'm gonna use my gadget at that point. Okay. 15. Okay. Okay. Please. Please. Why this buzz cut? Wait, give me a minute, Buzz. Yeah, good luck with that. Never mind. Let Buzz come back. Come back, please. Never mind. Don't come back. Don't chase me. Don't even touch me. Don't even run to me. Okay. Time for bushes. Please, I need this, bro. Can you guys die? Yes, Buzz, if you kill him, I'm gonna love you so much. Never mind, I hate you, Buzz. I hate you, Buzz. Help me. Thank you, Buzz. But yeah, like, what? What? Diamond. Yeah, you know what? Just kill me, yeah, just kill me. Just kill me. I don't care. Just kill me. How do you miss? Thank you. Okay. One more win. One more, please. Please, dude, I need this. It's literally about to be morning. This took me like 40 minutes. Hurry up, start the game before my freaking mom wakes up and kills me. Oh crap, yeah, like, I'm gonna lose. Like, there's no way. There's no way. Nothing kills with that. What the? Why did I take? Why did I hit everything besides the people? Come on, please. Yeah, Terry, yeah. Rico, sorry. I'm sorry. You ape it. Come here. Yes. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Team acquired. Okay. This should give me a chance. No! I'm gonna freaking shoot you, man. Every single player I see you, I'm gonna grab a gun. Oh crap, no man attention. This is the worst spot being with Frank. What? Oh my gosh. What is my love with freaking Franks, bro? Like in these worst tight spots with Franks. Oh, this is why I love Rico. It's bouncy balls. How did the freaking Griff take out freaking Frank? You gotta be lucky. A Frank? Yeah, get my bouncy balls. Okay, why not? I can't get now. God, Connor! Okay. This Griff is murdering every man. He's dead. Okay, yeah, I knew that. I'm dead. Of course, she's got curveball. Finally, this is over. I can end this, and I got 2 new tier. Well, not tier, but yeah, more trophies. Y'all guys know. Of course, it's something bad. I'll take money though, cause I'm in desperate need of money. This is me getting off. This is me going to sleep. Not going to sleep, but yet going to work with my mom. Good morning and bye.